Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use OBS Studio to record screen. So basically you can just download this, just go to any browser and then download OBS. This is what it looks like. Now first, it's very important to set everything here correct, or depends on your Windows or if you're going to stream something like that. So let's go on first to the output. So all you need to do is to follow here my sample, but actually it depends. Basically, this is the setting for output. Just leave the video as it is. For audio, set this to 60. Recording path, you can choose if you want to save this to your download or desktop. For recording quality, set this to high quality medium file size. Recording format MP4. For video recorder, you can follow this one. Hardware AMD HEVC. Just leave others as it is. Tap on apply and then OK. Now, after that, you can now proceed with audio. So sample rate channels, just leave it as it is. For the desktop audio, it should be matched to your desktop audio right here. Same thing as this one. So you can use the microphone. Tap on apply, tap on OK. And then after that, or the very last thing you should set here is the video. For the resolution, you can follow this one, but also it depends. For common FPS, choose 60 as much as possible. Then after that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. Hotkeys, which is optional, you can create shortcuts here. For example, start recording F10, stop recording F11, and so on. Now tap on the source, the plus icon right here. You can choose if you want to screen record the windows or just part of it. You just have to select from any of this right here and then setup and then OK. Now you can start recording your whole screen. And that's how easy it is to use OBS Studio to record screen. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.